Have you ever wondered why marriage can feel so hard, even with someone you deeply love? Imagine starting a life together full of hopes and dreams, only to find yourself struggling with the challenges of keeping that bond alive. Marriage is beautiful, but it's not without its difficulties. Let's explore why marriage is so challenging and, more importantly, how to navigate those challenges. Hi, I'm Evelyn Stonebridge, a relationship coach and counselor with over 20 years of experience. Marriage is one of the most rewarding yet demanding relationships you can have. Many people enter marriage with high expectations, a perfect partner, a fairy tale romance, and a happily ever after. While love is an incredible foundation, marriage requires continuous effort, adaptability, and resilience. In this video, we'll uncover the reasons marriage can feel so difficult and the tools you can use to navigate its complexities. Let's begin by looking at some of the most common challenges couples face in marriage. Communication is often at the top of the list. Misunderstandings and unspoken expectations can create friction between partners. For example, one person might assume their partner knows what they need emotionally, while the other is unaware of those expectations. Differing priorities also play a major role. Life changes, like careers, children, or financial stress, can shift focus away from the relationship, causing partners to feel neglected. And let's not forget external pressures, such as cultural norms or the influence of friends and family, which can strain even the strongest bond. These challenges are not unique to any one couple. Take the story of Sarah and Michael, who found themselves drifting apart after 5 years of marriage. Sarah felt overwhelmed with the responsibilities of parenting, while Michael struggled to balance his demanding job with family time. Their communication broke down and resentments began to build. This is a pivotal moment many couples face, when love alone no longer feels like enough to sustain the relationship. So how did Sarah and Michael confront their challenges? The turning point came when they decided to seek help through couples counseling. In therapy, they learned how to express their feelings without blaming each other. Sarah shared her struggles with feeling unsupported, and Michael opened up about his fears of failing as a provider. These honest conversations allowed them to reconnect on a deeper level. They also implemented practical strategies, like scheduling weekly date nights and dividing household responsibilities more equitably. Over time, their relationship transformed as they learned to approach problems as a team rather than as adversaries. Navigating challenges in marriage requires deliberate effort and actionable steps. Here are some strategies that can help. First, prioritize communication. Set aside time for regular check-ins with your partner. Discuss your feelings, concerns, and needs openly and without judgment. Active listening is key. Truly hearing your partner fosters understanding and empathy. Second, set shared goals. Align on what matters most to both of you, whether it's financial stability, quality family time, or personal growth. Having common goals gives your relationship a sense of direction. Third, practice gratitude. Take time to acknowledge and appreciate your partner's efforts, no matter how small. Gratitude helps shift focus away from flaws and towards the positive aspects of your relationship. Fourth, seek professional help when needed. There's no shame in reaching out to a counselor or therapist. Sometimes an objective perspective can provide valuable insights and tools to strengthen your bond. And finally, embrace flexibility. Life is unpredictable. Being willing to adapt and support each other through change is a hallmark of resilient relationships. The resolution in marriage lies in resilience. Challenges don't define a marriage. How you respond to them does. When you face difficulties together, you're not just surviving. You're growing as individuals and as a couple. Every obstacle overcome is an opportunity to deepen your connection and build a stronger foundation for the future. Let's recap. Marriage is challenging because it involves two people with different needs, expectations, and experiences. Communication issues, differing priorities, and external pressures are common hurdles, but they can be navigated through deliberate effort. By prioritizing communication, setting shared goals, and embracing flexibility, you can not only navigate these challenges but thrive through them. Now it's your turn. What challenges have you faced in your marriage and how did you overcome them? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you're looking for more insights on building strong relationships, check out my video on trust-building strategies. It's the perfect complement to today's discussion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time as we explore more ways to create thriving, fulfilling relationships.